comes the real thing.
Ba't naiiyak ako? Hi, Mrs. Duran. I gave you this necklace na may pendant na cross to remind us na si God ang center ng ating relationship. Ba't ako naiiyak? Kaya lagi mo itong isuot para lagi ka diniprotect ni Lord from any harm and also para hindi mo na ako lagi awayin. Ha? I love you, Bobby. I'll see you later. Love, Mr. Duran. A cross necklace or a necklace with a cross pendant is a symbol of faith and devotion. It's also a symbol of protection, guidance, love, and affection. I love you. Sarap.
Gift ko sa inyo ni Papa, towel. So, thank you sa pag-alaga at walang sawang pagmamahal sa akin simula ng bata hanggang ngayon. No? So, love na love ko kayong dalawa ni Papa.
Okay, you get the Elsa. Maing. Masaya din kayo. Wow!
Without any strings attached.
Ante. Badimon. Richmond. Kay Nico. Toy. Buddy. Al. And kay Buddy Rich. Ay, Raymond.
Cold waters if that serves you best. I will love you without any strings attached. I will love you without a single string attached.
A relationship without God is a relationship without love. Yan yung huwag na huwag ninyong kakalimutan. Yung pag-ibig na mayroon kayo dahil ang Diyos ay pag-ibig, yan yung pag-ibig na pinagsasaluhan ninyo na magbibigay sa inyo ng tunay na kapayapaan, magbibigay sa inyo ng tunay na kagalakan, at magbibigay sa inyo ng tunay na magandang pakiramdam sa inyong paglalakbay.
My dearest Alvin Jan Duran, among all the places I've been and all the people I've met, I never truly knew how I would recognize the one. Sometimes they pass right in front of you and you don't even realize it. But when something is meant for you, when it's heaven sent, it will always find its way back to you at the right time in the most unexpected way.
Tulad ng pag-check ko ng pulso, chinek ko rin yung puso ko, and it only beats for you. I promise to love you, cherish you, and to be your partner for life. To every call, every ship, and every moment of our lives. You are my emergency, my priority, and my everything. I give you my heart, my hand, and my eternal love.
Cordeline! My sister! And Hana! God truly knows best. I asked Him for a perfect man, but He gave me someone imperfect. And in your imperfections, I learned what love really means. Through you, I finally understood why nothing ever worked out before, because I was meant to find you. It's been 668 days since we became us. Others might say that's not a long time, but for me, it's more than enough. You came into my life at the exact moment I had finally stopped searching, when I had learned to let go and to surrender. And from that moment on, I just knew